Hi friends! So today we are making this cute little chick. This could be an Easter decoration or maybe egg holder, up to you. We have version with the wings, little one, and without. Here is everything we are going to need. And let's start with the body. So ring and long 2 meters cord. First, to make it easier, take in hand and wrap around it. With the end, wrap around cord and around your finger and end through the loop. And this is a horizontal lark's head knot. Sorry, I hate this name. The hardest part is to start. So, short end up with the ball going through the ring and to the left, okay? Through the ring and to the left. Now to the right. You can take it in your hand, it could be easier. And now we are starting making horizontal lark's head knots. So, going through the ring and later through the loop. This is one part. And from the top and through the loop. Down and up. We have 2 knots. One knot is like 2 loops, so one from the top, one from the bottom, and we have another lark's head knot. If you like, you can add these little wings, so now it is a nice place. Start making knot from the top, hold this small little loop, do not tighten it, from the bottom, okay, I just add another knot, and this loop is our wing. Continue making knot. Okay, let's see where I need another wing. Okay, I think here will be great. So again, make another loop, hold it with your finger, continue making knot, and check size. I think this is a little too big. It's better? Oh, yeah, it's okay. Continue making knot to make this symmetrical. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, now this is too little. Let's go with the red. Now this is the same knot, and as you can see, this is 1 knot, 2 knot, small loop, knot, big loop, knot, smaller, etc. So the same basic idea, just with more loops. First, leave a little cord about 15 centimeters and start making lark's head knot. Okay, now small loop. Okay, I think this is big enough. Now bigger loop. Oh no. Okay. How big do you want? I think this is okay. Okay, good. And third little loop. Third loop, second little. Okay. And let's center this. So we need another one, or not one knot here. Okay, I think we are done. So let's add the hangers. So this is basically those two red cords. Make a little knot, overhand knot. So loop around your finger and cords through the loop. You can also use a hook. Let's check if the lengths here and there are the same. I think they're okay, and now we can tighten the knot. Cut. Before we cut this yellow cord, let's check if there is any gapping between red and yellow cord. If there is, you can move cords a little or add more cords, knots here. But I think this shape is okay. So now we need to use crochet hook. So insert it between, I don't know, second, third, something like that knot. Oh, I make it too tight, it's harder. Jeez. Okay, now I'm there. And take the end. Okay, it's in. So now I can cut first, and with the second, the same steps. And cut. Last part, legs. So take this 20cm red cord, and we have to go with a crochet hook through the places where we need these legs. So I don't know, maybe here or wider. No, I think this place is okay. One and second leg to the right. Cool, cool. And to make more fingers, first we need to make overhand knots. So again, loop and end through the loop. Take the red cord, cut small piece and insert it here. So here, and tighten this overhand knot. Great. Now we can align the cords. Amazing, so this is done. Easy, cute, perfect last minute present for Easter. Which do you want to prefer? Without wings or with these cuties? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful time this Easter if you're celebrating. See you next time. Bye bye.